Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GME GameStop. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a crazy day for GameStop here, although I think a revealing day, and I could be wrong, would not be the first time, but I think the power, I think the momentum is gone. Like I said, could be wrong. And what makes me say that? Well, things started off and things were just ripping and roaring. And at this point, when that opening 30 minutes, huge green candle. Next 30 minutes, the price got all the way up to there. And at that point, you could be saying, oh, wow, it's looking like maybe GameStop, the next big, maybe it's begun. Maybe it has officially begun. And then what happened after it got up to that point right there? I mean, it just completely fizzled out and down it went. Now, on the positive side of things, at least it didn't drop all the way down here and then get down to that area of support at the green line and continue on down. That would have been just completely disastrous. But, I mean, that huge move, that huge momentum totally fizzled out. And now it's, drifting back down to these lows right here. Now, like I said, I could be wrong, and maybe there's going to be another surge, but a big confirmation point that everything has officially fizzled out would be if the price comes back down to those lows and breaks down through there. Because, I mean, just stop and think about what that would be telling you. That would be telling you that the price went from here all the way up to there, and not only did it go back to where the price started, but it went even lower than where it started after a huge move, and that's just not a sign of any sort of legitimate strength at all. Again, to be fair, I'm not saying that's what's going to happen, but that is why that green line down there at 52.50 is a very kind of interesting point to help confirm just whether or not maybe this momentum has finally officially fizzled out. But we'll see if the price can get back up to that red line at 75 and get back above it and start to stay above it. Then, hey, yeah, maybe I'm going to be totally wrong, and I'll have no problem admitting that. But like I said, I think there's a lot to be revealed in that big surge and then being totally fizzled out. Whereas in past, that surge on GameStop, I mean, that would have just been the beginning and the thing would have ripped and roared, and that didn't quite happen here, but we'll see what happens with it next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.